Good evening. Indeed, today's session was a very good session. It highlighted what is the importance of collaboration tools in DevOps, how important it is. Okay, and we learned more about ChatOps, and it really helped us. And I got ideas like how I can implement and I give projects to my students on ChatOps. So it was a really good, helpful, and knowledgeable session. Thank you for giving us such a good session. The speaker was really awesome, very helpful to us. He was helping us in wherever we were stuck. So I thank the team for providing us with this session. Thank you.